Tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike, please.
The 23 Yamaha R3.
23 Yamaha R1M. Did you buy it brand new or used?
I bought it used. It had 400 miles on it.
Oh, so it was practically.
Yeah, it's broken in.
Exactly. So how many miles have you put in since then?
400, about.
About 400?
Yeah.
So this is your first bike?
Yeah.
Ah, that's what I figured. So why Yamaha versus some other brand? Were you influenced by somebody on Yamaha brand?
Yeah, so my dad used to ride.
There you go. Okay.
So he likes Yamaha. I think the clutch is really forgiving.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to learn.
Yeah.
I think
And
they're cool.
you're not a short person, so you fit just fine on
Yeah.
this, on this bike, no problems, right? So what do you most like about riding? Highways, side streets? What's your style?
I like back roads.
You like back roads?
Love
Okay, so she liked the highways, you like the
Yeah.
back roads, okay.
I'm more of a cruiser.
So okay, so are you planning to take this because you can take this to a track also? Are you?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever taken one to a track
No.
before? No. Have you been to a track?
Yes.
You
but
have.
I haven't been riding.
You haven't been
much.
riding. Okay. So what's the plan with the bike? Are you going to keep it for a while? 6 months, a year, 2 years, or upgrade, or you're just happy with what you got? You don't need any more power.
I'm definitely going to upgrade, but I want to keep it because it's my first bike and I feel like it's going to be with me along my journey of getting more.
So you're probably gonna look for a second bike.
Yes.
Is that correct? Right?
Yeah.
Would that be the same Yamaha?
It'd be Yamaha, probably an R6.
R6 would
Yeah.
be? Okay. That's good. I'm glad you didn't say R1
No.
because a lot of people would right away jump to R1, you know what I mean? From R6. Have you been to this event before?
No, I haven't. It's my first
This is
time.
the first time? Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Congratulations. That's good. You'll enjoy it. It's a nice group of people, lots of people here, you know what I mean? Good. You said, have you done anything to a bike yourself?
I took off it was ugly.
Yeah.
The
Tail tidy? Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
I did the one in the front.
Kentucky? Is that where you're
Yes,
from?
I'm from Kentucky.
Okay. You just haven't changed the tags for a while, or you just moved here recently?
So I go to school here, but
Oh.
I live in the
Oh, you go to school here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool. Good. Very nice
Fun
bike.
to it.
Huh?
Said nothing much is done.
It's a beautiful bike, nice helmet, nice styling, you know what I mean? Good. What are you going to school for?
Criminal justice.
Okay, that's good. You want to be a lawyer later on or something
No,
like
I
that?
want to be a cop.
You want to be a cop?
Yeah.
Good for you. Okay. We need cops. We need good cops, right?
Yes.
Good. Well, nice meeting you.